Hey, what's up? So AI trading sounds simple until the setup starts asking for scripts, extra software, API keys, server settings. Then there's a whole technical project sitting behind one bot. Here, I'm not dealing with any of that. ChatGPT trading system is already built into the platform. So starting from the main screen, everything important stats here. Current account data, active session, portfolio activity, it's all on the dashboard. I can scroll through the rest of it and see current session details, the agent level, and the activity recorded by the system without opening a bunch of separate tools. I'm switching over to performance for a second, and this is where the history starts making more sense. Each session is listed here, along with the activity over time and projections generated from the data already collected. So instead of trying to piece everything together manually, it's already keeping track of it. So there are 3 agent tiers. The differences are shown here. I've been testing the basic tier so far, mainly because I wanted to see how the standard setup behaves before changing anything.
Now switch to Wallet tab, and this is the part where all the account activity is recorded. Deposits, withdrawals, changes between sessions, it's all sitting here in the history. So for this one, I'm using Solana to show how to activate the bot. We open Deposit tab, select the agent tier, then select SOL, and from here, it gives me a unique address for the transaction. I'll copy that, send Sol, and just wait for the confirmation. Okay, there it is. My transaction has gone through, the balance refreshed, and the session is active. And this is where the whole setup becomes pretty hands-off. There isn't another page where I need to build a strategy, connect extra software, or start adjusting technical settings. The bot is already running as part of the platform. Trading logic is handled in the background while I can come back to dashboard and check what's been happening. That's basically the convenience of the setup. Activating the session takes a transaction, and after that, the system handles the rest of the workflow.
So now let's check the withdrawal process. We move to this tab. Here's the available amount and the portion that's currently unlocked. So here I select USDT, choose a network, and paste in my destination address. Okay, and now there's not much else to touch. The request is sent through the protocol, the transaction gets processed, and once it receives a blockchain confirmation, USDT is sent to the address I entered. So while that's happening, this is probably the simplest way I can explain why ChatGPT part matters here. I'm not building the bot from scratch. I'm not sitting with documentation open, installing libraries, configuring servers, or trying to write and maintain trading code. All of that technical work is already behind the platform. ChatGPT handles the trading side of the process, and the dashboard is mainly there to show the account data and session history. So I can check what the bot has done without having to constantly tell it what to do. That's the difference I was looking for when testing this. Automation should remove work from the process. Otherwise, it's just manual trading with a more complicated interface. Obviously, the bot doesn't make the crypto market predictable, and automation doesn't remove the normal risks that come with trading. What I'm testing here is the workflow itself. How easy it is to activate the system, leave the routine process to the bot, and still have the session data available when I want to check it. So far, that's the part that stands out to me. The platform link is in the description and pinned comment. And always check the exact domain before connecting a wallet or sending crypto. Copycat sites are still everywhere, and a familiar looking interface isn't enough to prove that a site is the real one. Thanks for watching.